Prince Harry faces battle in US visa court after Spears' drug revelations. Welcome to Royal Pancakes. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell, so you don't miss any news about the British royal family. Prince Harry faces battle in US visa court after Spears' drug revelations. A federal judge could order the US government to disclose Prince Harry's visa application amid allegations that Spears should have denied him entry to the country, in his memoirs of drug use. The US government may be forced to disclose Prince Harry's US visa application in court after his drug use was revealed in his memoirs. Spears. Nile Gardiner, director of the Margaret Thatcher Centre for Freedom at the Heritage Foundation, said a federal judge will hear the case on June 6. The Heritage Foundation has been a vocal critic of Harry's drug revelations after they were detailed in Spears in January. Earlier this year, an immigration expert told the Telegraph that the Duke should have been denied residency in the US if he had failed to disclose his drug use and could see it revoked if he lied. But a source close to Harry said the 38-year-old was honest when he told US officials about his past drug use. The Duke described how he used drugs as a way to deal with the death of his mother, Princess Diana, in his memoirs. Harry, who was just 12 years old when Diana died in 1997 in a car crash in Paris, also referred to his past dealings with drugs during a therapy session with trauma expert, Dr. Gabor Mati. "Cocaine didn't do anything for me, it was a social thing and it definitely gave me a sense of belonging. I think maybe it also made me feel different than I was feeling, which is kind of the point," he told Dr. Mati. "Marijuana is different, it really helped me. Of taking psychedelic medication," he added, "I started doing it recreationally and then I started realizing how good it was for me. I would say it's one of the essential parts of my life that changed me and helped me deal with the trauma and pain of the past." This is expected to be the first of several hearings in which Judge Carl Nichols, who has been appointed to the court by Donald Trump, is expected to issue a written statement at a later date. Nile Gardiner, director of the Margaret Thatcher Centre for Freedom at the Heritage Foundation, called the hearing a very important development. He emphasized that the Biden administration has not yet cooperated with the Freedom of Information request, but that in the end, the matter will be resolved by a federal judge. Earlier this year, an immigration expert stated that if Prince Harry had failed to disclose his drug use, he should have been denied residency in the US and could face revocation if he was found to have provided false information. US immigration laws state that individuals seeking temporary or permanent settlement in the country must disclose their history of drug use during the visa or residency application process. Those deemed drug users are classified as inadmissible, although immigration officials can exercise discretion in some cases. In his autobiography Spears and subsequent TV interviews, Prince Harry openly admitted to using cocaine, cannabis, and magic mushrooms in the past. He also recounted eating magic mushroom chocolate at a party in 2016, which is an illegal act in the United States. The party took place at the Los Angeles home of Courtney Cox, known for her role in the TV series Friends. Sources close to Prince Harry have previously indicated that he was honest in his visa application and revealed his past drug use. However, the Heritage Foundation argues that it is in the authorities' public interest to disclose the details of the Duke's request, any concessions granted, and the identity of the decision-maker. The American people deserve answers to the serious questions raised by the evidence. Did the Department of Homeland Security in fact turn a blind eye, show favoritism, or fail to respond appropriately to any potentially false statements by Prince Harry? The think tank said in a recent statement. A source close to the Duke and Duchess of Sussex previously confirmed that Prince Harry was sincere in his visa application. However, they did not provide further details regarding the extent to which he documented his drug use. Mr. Gardiner emphasized, "It is in the public interest of the American people to know exactly what is on Prince Harry's immigration application. And if he has nothing to hide, then he should support the release of the records." Anyone applying to settle either temporarily or permanently in the United States must answer questions about their history of substance abuse. U.S. immigration laws state that any alien determined to be a drug user is classified as inadmissible, though officials are given discretion to waive this rule. Thanks for watching.